Hi, I'm Bailey Repp, the Education and Communications Coordinator at the East Kootenay Invasive Species Council. ECISC is a regional organization whose mission is to mitigate the negative environmental, economic, and social impacts of invasive species. To achieve our mission, we work to coordinate invasive species management throughout the region. We work to educate about invasive species and their impacts, and we work to foster extended support of invasive species initiatives in the East Kootenay region. Invasive species are non-native species who cause economic, environmental, or social harm. Invasive species are globally recognized as the second biggest threat to biodiversity after habitat loss caused by humans. There are many species of concern in the East Kootenay region, from plants to aquatic invertebrates. One plant we particularly have a hard time managing is the invasive plant called Leafy Spurge. Originally introduced to the Columbia Valley in the 1960s, Leafy Spurge has become well established in the area and makes up the vast majority of leafy spurge infestations in the entire region of the district of East Kootenay. Leafy spurge is an aggressive invader that displaces desirable vegetation in rangeland, pastures, and native habitats. Leafy spurge decreases biodiversity, reduces forage for wildlife, and outcompetes native plants, resulting in decreased commercial land values, reduced cattle stocking rates and income for farmers, and a reduction to recreation and tourism values associated with BC's beautiful landscapes. Leafy spurge is incredibly difficult to manage. It is adapted to a wide array of habitats. Its seeds also remain viable in soil for up to 7 years, and an extensive root system can reach 4.6 meters laterally and 9.1 meters deep, making mechanical treatments like pulling and mowing typically ineffective. ECISC has been working with the Kootenay Conservation Program and the Regional District of East Kootenay through the Columbia Valley Local Conservation Fund to deliver a special project dedicated to managing leafy spurge in the Upper Columbia Valley. This project enables us to visit upwards of 100 leafy spurge sites annually, actively working to contain and reduce the spread of existing leafy spurge infestations. We work with licensed, experienced pesticide applicators to conduct chemical treatments of leafy spurge, which is the most effective management tool available. A large focus of this project is to treat upland habitat within the Columbia Valley Wildlife Management Area, as well as infestations on public lands that have the potential to encroach onto private property. So how can you help? You can report invasive species that you see through the Provincial Report Invasives app. This allows us and the province to respond quickly to high-priority invasive species. You can also follow best management practices and use preventative methods, like making sure your pets, boots, gear, and vehicles are clean before and after recreating. You can learn more at ecisc.com.